Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Begeman and today I will be evaluating Teens Health article on the immune system. My content area is early childhood and elementary education, grades 8K through 8, and I will be focusing on science and health today. So the content standard that I will be focusing on is the Middle School Life Science Standard. Construct an argument supported by evidence for how the body is a system of interacting subsystems composed of a group of cells. Okay, so if you look at this site, the first thing I notice about this site here is that there are no ads that pop up or distract from the information. Everything seems to be pretty clean on this site. And one thing that I do want to note right away, all information on Teens Health is for educational purposes only. It's nice that it states it just right here, right down at the bottom. So there's no question of that. And if you click on About Us, it talks about how they're a team of pediatricians and other medical experts that review the content regularly to ensure the information is as current as possible. Okay, so if you click on that link there, it takes you to the list of all of the doctors that are listed here that ensure that this information is accurate and up to date. Okay. So first, we're going to look at the criteria for the CRAPP test and look at currency, the timeliness of the information. Now, it just said right here that that the site is reviewed to up-to-date information, and it's also free of doctor speak. That's nice. Let's see. So it passes that check mark about being up to date. My article in particular was reviewed in 2015, May of 2015. Now, this information I know is relevant because if you Google this same information, like I did here, the immune system, you will get the same information that is on the site. Like it might be on Wikipedia, and it also, if you click that, which is an okay site. It's not the best site in the world, but it's okay for accurate information. And it also says it on WebMD, like how the immune system works as well. So that's cool. Okay. So back to our evaluation of the criteria. Is this relevant? I would say yes, because and it does answer your question how the immune system works. If you scroll up and look, it answers that question right here. And it's also target audiences for teens. This handy little tab says specifically it's for teens. The language matches up for middle school because it does not sound like college level stuff, but it also is a little bit more advanced for elementary kids. So that's cool. All right, and then authority. So as we reviewed earlier, the team of doctors reviews this information, and my article was reviewed by this doctor, Yamini Durrami. She's a MD doctor. I'm probably butchering her name, but she is a division of the pediatric emergency medicine, and I Googled her, and it checks out because she is listed several times on Google, and she has a 5 out of 5 review, and her phone number is listed, her address for let's see, where she works, the pediatrician in Newcastle County, Delaware. So she is a doctor for sure, you can see. So the authority matches up here. And it's a .org, so it's a nonprofit organization or network. So this would be a relevant source of information there. Let's see, is it accurate? Reliable truthfulness and correctness of the content. So where does the information come from? Well, this is scientific information that was put together from multiple studies, I would assume. Now, it doesn't really say exactly where they got their information from, but I trust that this information is relevant just because it's is on a .org, and if you Google this information, you will get it again from other sources. Let's see. Let's check the next criterion. Let's see. Purpose. The reason the information exists. So it says right on their website that the information is to inform, and it's not to sell or entertain or persuade you. Yes, the information is fact, and it is not propaganda or opinion. It just states exactly how the body works and how the systems work. The intention is very clear. It does not have any political, cultural, religious, institutional, or biases. So I would give this rating a 50 out of 50. Or, 50 out of 50 points for this website. And I would trust this website with my students to write papers and also learn about the immune system.